Start.
Hello everyone. My name is Neeraj and we are team 4. Here we are presenting the auto sales strategy, the data we chose from Kaggle. So next slide please. We have covered a lot of data and presented a lot of things in this report and the presentation. So here I'll be going with the introduction. There are multiple variables of sales and advertising approaches used by the organization, which we have covered. Secondly, the country-wise highest sales in the United States. That's the second point. And thirdly, where the highest growth sales develops in the month of November. Next data, please. After that, next slide, please. So we have chosen a lot of things. Second page, please. The price of the product category in highest in the United States, and the lowest was the same product in the Ireland. We have also discussed where the classic cars are the most expensive transportation, and they has the highest sales. The highest quantity sold and produced by the classic cars, the highest quantity sold produced for trains. And what is the objective of this presentation? So next slide. The objectives are to analyze the advertising sales techniques which are based on the direct selling offers like advertisements, discounts, and production cost. So there are a lot of factors affecting the automobile sales in the United States. Offers, advertisement, and direct selling was the major factors. And examining the consumer demographics like country, quantity, price, sales, and products plays a bigger role in the picture. And to explore the consumer preferences based on features, we have done this analysis. Now my friend Amit will take over and discuss the portion.
Thank you. Furthermore, we are covering the methodology as already shared by him. That data is collected from Kaggle.com. We are getting the data for sales and related to the price for the automobile industry. And we are covering different methods to analyze the data. First is correlation analysis, regression analysis, and third one is W. W is a software we are using to analyze graphically and country-wise data mainly. And secondly, we are getting correlation analysis between sales and the price. However, how sales are getting impacted if prices are going to change in different countries. And next is we are analyzing through Tableau about the country analysis. The topmost we can see that the most sales are in United States, after following with Indonesia, Adelaide, Ukraine, Finland, and Spain. Thank you. Next part, please.
Hi everyone, Sachin this side. So I'll be presenting my views on sales analysis. After conducting a very good analysis of sales in the report, we have decided some conclusions. So which are that classic cars had the highest sales, which are shown in the blue color at 3842,869. After that, motorcycles were the second highest sales, which are shown in the purple color at 1806676. And train had the lowest sales, which are shown in green color. So next slide, please. Next slide.
Yes, we are on product analysis.
Actually, on my screen, it's showing sales analysis. Oh, thank you. So now I'll be moving forward towards product analysis. So what we found in the product analysis is that highest sales of product according to quantity and price was of classic cars, then the lowest sales of product according to quantity and price was of trains. In production analysis, cost of production cutting and more features of availability is also needed. So head over to my next friend Banafshi.
Okay. It's not my part. I think. Okay. In this slide, I wanna talk about price analysis. As you see on the graph, the highest price of the product is used in United States of America due to the high rate of inflation. And the lowest price of the product is used in Ireland due to less revenuing country. The price can be determined by performances of consumers and the cost of products. Next slide, please. And in this slide, I want to talk about quantity analysis. In this graph, highest sales in quantity is done in United States of America again, and lowest sales in quantity is done in Ireland. It specifies about the consumer performance and inflation rate in a particular country.
Guys, I am explaining about the correlation analysis. As per our report and as per our studies, we found the correlation analysis about the sales and price. So here in the slides, you can see the scatter plot, which it shows that the relation between the car sales and car price. So from the scatter plot, we can easily say that the correlation between the sales and price are very high, highly correlated with the value of 0.82. And also we can see that there are positive correlations analysis, which is very good for the correlated between two things, and also there is some negative correlation at minus 0.28 and minus 0.84 respectively. So by doing the correlation analysis, we can easily compare two things, sales and price, with its independent variable. Okay, we can go to the next slide. Regression analysis. So here in a regression analysis, we use the ANOVA method and the coefficient standard error method. In the graph of a regression analysis, we can see that the prediction about the total price or total price of the every particular transportation system from classical cars to the vintage cars. We can see that the price of classical cars are around 109,000. For the motorcycle, it's decreased 31,000 around, and for the planes, it's 27,517. For the ships, it's 20,279, and we can see that for the particular trains trains category, it's very low, like around to 10,000. So for the trucks and buses, it's 30,782, and vintage cars, 52,117. So by regression analysis, we can easily predict about the price from the sales. So by doing this, we can easily describe what will be the price of the sales of the product, and also for the uh, for the growth of the product. So now I would like to hand over the next part to my teammate.
Thank you, Sagar. So, hey, I'm Kumarpreet Kaur, and now I'm going to tell about the recommendations. First recommendation is the target. So, in this, we have to target high income level of people for increase the sales of the company. And the second one is to create the attractive marketing techniques so that we can earn more profit and less expenditure. The third one is consider consumers' feedback according to their demands so that we become to know about their demands and their needs. And the last one is requiring measuring and adjusting the sales growth. Next slide, please. So, in the conclusion, auto sales offer a fantastic chance for increasing the trends of their products and long term sales. Moreover, the marketing can be achieved by prioritizing without weather conditions, celebrity endorse endorsements, etc. And the last one is consumer preferences, marketing and promotion, fuel pricing, and the technical advancement will increase the sales. Thank you.
So here are the references we can follow. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.